Can you believe I was just about to go out on a nice ride on my Harley when this happened?
Okay.
The engine's misfiring, something's seriously wrong, and I've got to get it in the shed, find out what the problem is. After removing one of the spark plugs, I found there to be quite a lot of oil on it. So I had a look inside the engine with my inspection camera and found a fair bit of oil on top of the piston. This could mean either it's the valve stem oil seals leaking or my piston rings were worn out. And after doing a compression check, the cylinders came up at £100 per square inch each, which is just perfect. So it wasn't the rings. So it must be the valve stem oil seals. I then removed the rocker cover
What a nightmare to get out.
and the rocker box to give me access to remove the cylinder head. Subscribe and follow for more.